This right here is the cleaned up version of the super loud intake. So as you can see, I did put my heat shield back on because I just didn't like how it was looking without that. It was missing it. It's a piece at this point. I removed the battery and I put the gold heat shield. I made a little piece so that I could route the hose through. This right here isn't staying gold. So I actually have the production unit printed and made and ready to go. What I'll do is uninstall this in another video and I'll install a short ram intake so you guys can see exactly how it should work. Because honestly, I haven't done it for myself. I don't want to offer it up to anybody without having tested it myself. So I'm going to pull my cold air intake off and put the Cork Sport short ram back on and test with this on. This video, we finna go on a drive, test out the super loud intake version 2. Let's get it. The original version of this, version 1, was just too loud. I put the small version back in. Somebody requested I make a muted version. I went back to the drawing board and I put a cap on the end of this. It mutes the sound enough to where you only hear it under high throttle. And so I'm gonna put this one on and see if that'll bring out the sound a little bit more. It's almost like a speaker cone. So this is the regular size, all right? It does bring out the sound a little bit, but not as much as this one right here does.
You do with that car, bust a right, all the way to right.
They don't know. transmission, that's how.
Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect.
Nah, this shit sound good. This shit sound good. Good job, Justin.
Oh, you missed that Betty bet.
I did. C8.
It's okay, you catch him at the light. Nah, I'm lying. You not finna
I'm
catch
not
him.
catching them at the light. Speed limit 45. We're done.